What's going on, guys? Steve Larrett here, the Steve Larrett Real Estate Team at Vanguard Realty Alliance, here to talk to you today about weak agents. Here is one of the biggest problems with weak agents. They would rather, you've hired them to negotiate on your behalf, but they don't want to negotiate against me. And so it's easier for them to go negotiate with you, their own clients. They're always going to choose the path of least resistance. And that's never going to be through me, the professional negotiator on the other side. It's always going to be through their own clients. So be careful, because you might be hiring somebody who doesn't have the courage to go into battle against me. So they're going to come back to you, the non-professional negotiator, the novice, and they're going to get you to make unjust concessions and compromise your goal, your outcome in favor of the other side, because they don't want to come and talk to me about it. They'd rather talk to you, their friend, and say, well, it's only $1,100. We should probably do it. At the very least, let's meet them halfway, blah, blah, blah. That's how it works. So 90% of the agents don't do very much business. They're not good negotiators, and they're not capable of coming and negotiating with me. And so what are they going to do? They're going to turn around and they're going to go negotiate with you against yourself. You don't want to pay somebody to negotiate against yourself. That's like going to court and paying the other side's legal fees. Not that smart. Anyway, guys, if you like this content, please feel free to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Steve Larrett Realtor. And as always, you know where to find me. Talk to you soon. Cheers.